Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you remember, a couple of weeks ago, we talked about Samsung that was thinking of replacing Google. You know, Google is on devices for a simple reason. Google pays hundreds of millions of dollars to be in browsers, to be in smartphones, iPhones, to be everywhere. It pays the company so that it keeps its dominance in the market. Of course, it also paid Samsung for having Google as a default. Now, it was not a big news in a sense because Android phones are easy to just change the search engine to whatever you want. But still, Samsung was thinking changing Google to Bing, which for me, I think was a huge mistake because Bing is very, very bad. It's a horrible search engine. It really, really is something that I never use and I don't even want to see because it just is horrible. But Google, Samsung had for a while, and I wonder if the partnership with Samsung and Microsoft with things like the phone link and so on might have been in the play here. One of the things that they were thinking is that, well, if we actually put the Bing search and Bing AI chat and all of that. But after internal checking and testing and things like that, first of all, Google stock went down when that happened because Samsung is a huge manufacturer of smartphones. It is actually second after Apple. And of course, looking at the agreements and looking at how it would implement all of this, it finally decided that nope, it's not going to do it. So Google is staying on Samsung smartphones, and I think that's a good idea. And anyways, it's an Android phone, and if you install Edge, if you install things like that on your Android phone, you get you get Bing and you get all the chat AI, the Bing AI stuff. You don't really need to have a default phone, which would have been bad, I think, to have. So, change of heart at Samsung, and I think somebody somewhere said, whoa, whoa, whoa. I think whoever decided that we should change Google for Bing didn't really think it through. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.